What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you some tricks today for really good, actually, HD wallpapers for your iPhone or iPod Touch. First, what we're going to want to do, and look at the wallpaper that I have now. This is like really HD. If I looked at it, if you saw it on my phone, it's like super HD. To get like wallpapers like these, like look at this. I got the Black Ops 2 wallpaper. Let me go to my photos and I'll show you. Like right here. Starting right here, I got an Assassin's Creed, Apple, Ferraris, all this really good stuff. I even got this. Trying to find my other one. I have a whole bunch more, and they start all the way up here. I'm going to show you the one that I think is the best one. I got this one, the Black Ops 2 wallpaper. It has really good quality. And I'm going to show you how to get all these ringtones. First, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to your browser. Safari. Go to the top. Type in Zedge. Z-E-D-G-E. Hold .com. Go to .net. Press go. Then it will take you here. Then what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to add it to your home screen. Press add. Because you're going to want to add it to your home screen especially if you like to get stuff like this a lot. Then what you're going to want to do is, like, say if you wanted to see Family Guy. Family Guy. It's going to come up. There's some wallpapers here. Then when you get to the image, hold it. Save image. And it should be saved into your photos. Like, all of them look really crappy, and then when you press on them and hold them, save them to your photos. It's going to come out really nice. See? Super high quality, fits your screen perfectly. This is the best place to get all these. Sometimes you can even like get really good ringtones. Like, for example, let's see. NFS HP. Click on that. Gonna come up some ringtones. Let's see. We're gonna click on the charger. It's gonna come here. You can play it. It'll play a little sound. Then it says download here. But since Apple don't let you download a ringtone, it's gonna say it won't let you download it, and you can send it to your email on your computer. You can download it, send it to iTunes, and copy it to your iPhone or iPod that way. And actually, I did get a few ringtones off of here. I will show you them. A few of these I made, so you're not going to find them. Like, for example, or this one.
Your time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands.
Like, all these are really good ringtones. And that's basically how you do it. And if anyone can actually give me some tips or any advice for the iPhone, that would be great, because this iPhone is kind of new to me. I'm planning not to break it. So if anyone got any tips to help me, please send me a message. I'll have my email down below, rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day. Peace out.